In this video, I'm going to show you how to track the location of an iPhone using your Android phone. So if you've lost or you've misplaced your iPhone and you want to go and track it from your Android, I'm going to show you how to do this in a couple of easy steps. Now, first thing you need to do is just go and open up an internet browser on your Android. And once you've opened up a web browser, click on the address bar at the top of this page. Now, you need to type in the website iCloud.com and then go and press enter. Once you're on this website, click on the sign in button, and then you'll simply need to go and sign in to your Apple account. Now, once you're signed in, go and click on this square icon in the top navigation and then select Find My. Now, in this bottom window, you should be able to see your iPhone from the list. So in order for this to work, obviously you need to make sure Find My iPhone is actually turned on your iPhone device. And if you see your phone from this list, just go and click on it, and this is going to reveal the exact location of your phone. So it's really as simple as that, guys. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.